society expects from us. The crimes are in such as and the circumstances, personal circumstances, are not sufficiently compelling to come to any different. In the result, on count one, the murder of Ludwig van der Gaal was sentenced to life in prison. On count two, the murder of Martin van der Gaal was sentenced to life. On count three, the murder of Therese van der Gaal was sentenced to life in prison. For the attempted murder of Mali van der Gaal was sentenced to 15 years in prison. On count five, obstructing the course of justice, the administration of justice, Siddharth Rajashi was sentenced to 12 months in prison. In terms of section 1031 Act 60 of 2000, a person is ex-lege against operation of the law automatically declared unfit to possess a firearm. The court declines to determine otherwise. In other words, you get unfit to possess a firearm. I'd like to thank the council for their very able contribution to this part. The exhibits in terms of section 234 get forfeited to the state. To say that this is the first part that was fully covered by the media press. The court welcomed the role the media played in reporting these court proceedings. The live broadcast